was, you know, swiped. It was like, what if I move after marriage? Yeah, so I might be only one of them who is here, who has worked for 4 years, taken a break, not for anybody else, but for myself. And it was my choice. And now I think I have had that enough break and I want to come back. But then I'm not married and it can happen anytime. So if I approach my known people, that they say that now the question which will come to you is, you might get married anytime. So what is the surety you will stay in Chennai or you will be here? So, I mean, how should I tackle that? Because the same question was asked to me when I was a 20-year-old girl. And that question was asked me then because I belong to a Marwari family where girls are not supposed, I mean, where there's a prejudice that girls don't come out for work. So that's their prejudice, and how should I, that time I handled it quite well. I got into a wonderful company, and there was a time when I had to choose to continue or to do things which I want to do if not at work, like still love Mondays, etc. So now again I have decided that yes, I am fresh again with good experience. So, and the first thing everybody says is, you're still unmarried, be ready with a good answer. What if you get married? So I don't know when I will get married, if I will get married, with whom, which city. So I would just be happy if I get an answer, or what is the opinion. I mean, you don't know, not everybody gets married. Not
don't worry.
Yeah.
What do you want to do? Forget about what you have to answer others. What do you want to do?
I would work.
Okay.
That's why I'm here.
Okay.
I mean, I wanted to work at the age of 20. I was asked this question and that was like, what is this? I just come out of college and I should be ready with this answer. What if I get married? Again at 26, I have decided to get back into the corporate. Again, the same question.
So you have a very strong intention of continuing with your career.
Yes, I have.
Okay, so that will easily come out. That will answer all the questions. It's just you. It's just you are the answer. There is no one answer for different organization. You are the answer. You are very strong that you want to develop your career and you are ready to face hurdles. You will figure out a way how to handle situations and events which come in your life. So just give them the assurance that, you know, as a person, you know, judge only my skill sets and me and my attitude towards work. Anything else, I'm strong enough to handle my work and I'm strong enough to handle my life. Yeah, that's all is required.
Means I am very sure I'll take care of myself, which I have been doing. Only thing I want to convey is, I mean, why the panelists or why the interview people are more interested in when I will get married, when the person will have break, if they are married. I mean, why don't they? Huh?
No, don't worry. They're just doing their part of checklist. So
I mean, why don't they put the qualities and the talent and the interest above all?
They have already put it. That is why they don't want to lose you after you join them.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Arashni.